Welcome back to this channel. Now this is not a tutorial video. I am making this video to say a big thank you for 500 subscribers on this channel. I really appreciate everyone for the support. I appreciate you for watching my videos, liking them, commenting on the videos, and even sharing my videos to your colleagues. I'm very grateful for the support. And most importantly, I am also very grateful for answering my quizzes every time I upload them. I appreciate the support over here. From here going, a lot more helpful tutorials in SolidWorks and Siemens NX are going to come up. So if you're new here, this is your first time seeing my videos, this is all I do over here. I create helpful tutorials in Siemens NX and SolidWorks. So if this is all you want, make sure you subscribe and then turn on post notification. There are more tutorials coming up, and there are also more quizzes coming up that you can answer and test your technical drawing, engineering drawing, and CAD/CAM knowledge. Thank you very much. I appreciate every one of you, and I'll see you in the next tutorials.